We are watching the architecture of the internet rewrite itself weekly. Tech giants are deploying massive language models at a breakneck pace, rendering last month's state-of-the-art tools completely obsolete by Tuesday. Right now, thousands of businesses believe their competitive advantage is their ability to write the perfect prompt for the newest public model. But if your entire workflow relies on renting access to someone else's server, you don't have a business moat. You have a subscription. If the platform changes its rules, or it goes down, or gets leapfrogged by a competitor, all of your operational advantage vanishes overnight. This is the core philosophy behind Patrick OS. The models themselves are temporary tools. The actual value, the real defense, lives in your private data, your specific workflows, and the local knowledge graph you build around them. We are talking about a compounding architecture. A closed-loop system where AI models don't hold your knowledge. They act strictly as interchangeable workers. Their only job is to process your captured information into assets, products, and revenue while you sleep. In an environment where the tools are constantly shifting, survival requires building a sovereign knowledge engine. You need a system you completely control. To build that control, we start at the physical level. This means establishing a protected, local hardware environment that is entirely isolated from external cloud providers looking to scrape your data for their next training run. At the center of this environment is the memory layer. Built on local software like Obsidian, this is the repository for every single thing learned across clients, experiments, and daily operations. This diagram maps the data vault. From the core, information sorts into silos: clients, products, and content. The structure adds systems, research, and personal goals. The linchpin holding these databases together is a master dashboard, patrickos.md, weaving a unified network. By forcing all information through this highly organized local structure, you turn disorganized folders into an impenetrable data fortress. No tech giant can deprecate it, and no competitor can access it. Once that local vault is locked down, we can safely bring in external processing power. Instead of using one AI for everything, we plug specific models into the system as highly specialized mercenary workers. First, the strategy layer deploys Claude to synthesize research. The engineering layer uses Qwen to write code. The creative and visual layers use Gemma and Google Flow for brand assets. Finally, everything converges at the assembly layer, where Hyperframes automatically stitches the final media. But an automated pipeline that can ideate, code, and edit on its own is a massive liability without a final checkpoint. That's why the system includes an approval layer. Before a single piece of code or content is deployed to the internet, an Apple script pauses the entire workflow and pings an iMessage directly to the operator's phone. The machine waits for a human veto. This modular chain of command isolates the massive processing capabilities of multiple AI agents while ensuring the human operator remains securely positioned at the top of the hierarchy. Zooming out, Patrick OS operates as a continuous closed-loop engine. Every discovery call, every successful script, and every failed experiment is routed right back into the memory layer. As the vault expands, the AI layers have more historical context to draw from, making the outputs sharper and more accurate with every cycle. This structure neutralizes the threat of market disruption. When a tech giant inevitably releases a faster, cheaper, and smarter AI model tomorrow, it doesn't break your system. Looking at the architecture diagram, you simply detach the obsolete model from the pipeline and slot the new one into the exact same position. The underlying data vault never moves. Because your knowledge graph is stored locally, that brand new model instantly inherits years of your personal business context. It immediately applies its superior processing power to your private data, accelerating your operational output without skipping a beat. Your competitive moat is your data, your systems, and your decisions. It is time to stop renting your intelligence from shifting platforms and start organizing your knowledge into a sovereign vault today.